What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and like always, guys, I have a banger for you guys in this video. Tonic holders, I hope you guys are ready. It's only a matter of time until the market goes bullish again. CRO is on its way to all-time highs, and then Tonic follows right behind CRO, the Kronos ecosystem. Crow family, I appreciate you so much for tuning in. But before we dive any deeper into Tonic, meme coin daily, 1,140 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Supporting this video could get it into the algorithm. Tonic holders and get new eyes on the project. Now we are taking a look at Tectonic, one of my favorite projects in the space. Tonic will definitely be one of the biggest movers on the Kronos ecosystem as crypto.com and Crow continues their path towards mass adoption. Projects like those are here to stay, and Tonic is here to stay. 29,363 people has Tonic on their watch list. $9.8 million in market cap. We are in that range, around the 9 million to 10 million range. 102k 24-hour trade volume, down 40%. And honestly, guys, that's nothing to worry about. We are in the most brutal bear market of our lives. If you're still here, if you're watching this video right now as we speak, you are setting yourself up for generational wealth to become a millionaire in the future. Life-changing financial freedom in the future. Millionaires are made in the bear market. The majority of everyone else left crypto. The hype is gone. They don't want to build. They don't want to develop throughout the bear market. They don't want to go through the hardships of the bear to change their lives for the future. Majority of them out of the market, and they'll be right back FOMOing at the top when Tonic is going to crazy new levels. I could bet my bottom dollar on that, guys. If you take a look at crypto Twitter, content creators, people that make videos about crypto, just, you know, people that talk about crypto in general, the engagement is so low. Every content creator's engagement on Twitter, any social media platform when it comes to crypto is super low right now, because a lot of people have left the market. They have left, they have been wrecked, and they don't want to build and push forward in these type of market conditions. But you that's watching right now, but you guys, the Tonic community, or if this is your first time hearing about the project, you guys are here throughout these market conditions. You guys are pushing forward, and you guys will be rewarded in the future. All these people that left the market, plus a bunch of new people that will come into the space, they will be FOMOing at the top. You was smart, you was a genius, accumulating at the bottom, and if we go lower, you are DCAing in accordingly. So when we do move up to those new all-time highs, and trust me, it will happen, the most epic blow-off top in crypto will happen in the future, you guys will be geniuses. You guys will look like superstars in the future, and Tonic holders, you will be rewarded. Your patience, your diamond hands will be rewarded. Now honestly, there's not much to talk about when it comes to the Tonic chart. We'll be ranging as long as Bitcoin is ranging, as long as you know, the rest of the market is ranging, we'll be ranging in an accumulation phase, building up that spring, compressing that spring until it just completely expands and pushes to the upside. Tonic is an extremely fundamentally sound project. You know, at these levels, like I said, guys, this is the time you DCA into the project, and then, you know, the potential gains for Tonic could blow people's minds away, especially when the Fed decides to lower interest rates. We go through a disinflationary process. There's YouTubers like George Gammon, I think that's his name, that I watch, that goes into complete detail of how the stock market and how the index funds work. You know, you can't rule it out that the Fed could add liquidity to the markets as well and turn on that money printer as well, guys. So projects like Tonic that are so stable, have diamond hands in the project, has a great community, people that spread the word of the project, team that is pushing forward and delivering no matter the market conditions. A project like Tonic could absolutely send and, you know, knock the pants out of some people with the type of gains Tonic could give to its investors. 100x, we can't rule that out for Tonic, guys. We cannot rule out 100x, even up to, you know, 300, 400x gains. I'm not even being a moon boy. If we have that insane blow off top, because I look at a lot of crypto analysts, and I see this pattern and this trend that a lot of them are pointing towards, that we never had a blow off top, and this blow off top will be one of the craziest blow off tops that we've seen, and then it will be absolute catastrophic for, you know, the markets, the economy, the crypto market. It will be this crazy blow off top that sends everything like we've never seen before, and then this huge crash like we've never seen before. I'm gonna put up some images right here, and a lot of people, you know, might be saying, no, that's not possible, you know, that can't happen, but this is crypto. This is crypto, okay, guys? We already know, expect the unexpected. Anything is possible in crypto. People never thought a lot of these projects would be where they're at right now. People never thought there'd be so many millionaires and billionaires created from this market, from this space. But look, the impossible happened, and now we're right back at, you know, at a point in time where the sentiment is basically, you know, abysmal. The sentiment is gone. Everyone is in max fear. Everyone is max bearish right now. So the sentiment right now reminds me of the last bull cycle that we were in, when we were at peak FOMO. Everyone was super bullish. Everyone had crazy predictions for Bitcoin, crazy price levels for altcoins, and the total two, you know, the total two, and now here we are pretty close to the bottom of the bear market, and people are calling for 5k Bitcoin, 3k Bitcoin. We're going to zero. And you know what happens when we're at peak fear and the bears have been absolutely ruling the markets for this long? It's only a matter of time until the bulls step in, and then the bulls get overly bullish, and that's the time you guys, as the Tonic community, Tonic holders, change your lives forever. It's already safe to say that decentralized finance is the future, guys, and Tonic is one of the better DeFi projects in the space, one of the best in the space, built on the Chronos ecosystem. Crow does well, Tonic does well also, and there is a huge amount of market share that will carve itself out for Tonic in the future. It's just patience. The hedge funds, when the banks start to realize, oh my gosh, crypto is absolutely taking over, we can't compete with crypto anymore, we got to do our best to, you know, at least keep up with the rate at which crypto is growing. We have to try our best at DeFi, but the project's already here. The huge hedge funds, the billionaire stock investors, all of that, you know, I would say stock market money will come into the crypto space, and DeFi projects like Tectonic will stand out and hopefully catch the eyes of those type of investors. We haven't truly seen majority of the stock market whales get into the spaces yet, guys. Just imagine when that happens. Just imagine when we are back to peak retail investors FOMOing into the market. It's gonna be a crazy time, and it's gonna be a crazy time for Tonic and you guys as the Tonic community. Hold on to your seatbelts, buckle up as tightly as possible, because it's gonna get wild. Crow fam, Tonic fam, your time is on the way. Just be patient and stick to the plan that you have. Only you know your plan. Be sure to stick to your plan for what you're doing throughout this bear market, and what your plans are for the bull market. Be smart, you know, don't get too greedy when that time finally presents itself. Tonic will absolutely melt faces, and I can't wait to see future updates with the ambassador program and future updates for the project as well. It's just gonna keep getting better and better because the team keeps delivering, developing, and you guys as a Tonic community keep spreading the word, and you keep putting in that work. Tonic is one of those projects that have huge potential, and you just can't fade a project like this. I'll do my best to keep covering the project. Tonic holders, if you made it to the end of the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's spread this video out there. Let's get it into the YouTube algorithm, as the first thing people see when they open YouTube is Tonic videos, guys. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.